I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here today. I'm going to be putting together some beautiful cake stands with some plates and bowls from the Dollar Tree. Let me show you how easy it is. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe. I purchased these dinner size plates and these bowls at the Dollar Tree. They were only $1.25 each. I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do with these. The worst part about buying new plates is getting the stickers off the back. I just spray some of this Goo Gone on the bottom, let it sit, and then I scrape the sticker off and wash the dish. After letting the Goo Gone sit, the stickers peel right off. Then just take a paper towel and wipe off the Goo Gone before washing the dishes. We are going to be taking our E6000 glue and putting it right around the rim of the bowl. So go ahead and take your plate and turn it over. Of course, you want to avoid getting this on your hands. I'm just going to take the E6000 and go right around the dish, just like this. Of course, this is a permanent bond, so if you want extra matching coordinating dishes to go with this, you'll want to buy some extra ones at that time. And make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area because this glue can be very strong. Now we'll just take this bowl. We're going to bring our plate over. We're going to turn this over and center it the very best we can. So try to get right up above it so that you can look down. You don't want to move it around a whole lot after you put it on because you don't want to smear all of that good glue all over. So go ahead and just take your ruler and measure right along. It looks really well centered. Once you get this glued, just carefully take it and set it aside. We'll want to leave this to dry for 48 hours to be set and to have the maximum strength 72 hours. I've just placed a snowflake bowl on a snowflake plate and I'll just go around and check and make sure that it's right in the center. I'm going to set this aside to dry. I have one more left to do. This is a beautiful smaller plate that I'm going to use and make a smaller pedestal. I'll turn it over and once again, I'll put the glue on the bottom. These will be really great risers to put on a food buffet. I love serving my meals on buffets when I have company. That way everyone can come through and pick exactly what they want and the quantity they want. And now for the last one. Now my cake stands are going to set up to dry. I'll just leave them in an unused area for the next couple of days. These cake stands have been sitting for about 36 hours. Let's check them out and see just how they are. This is the big snowflake plate, and here is the smaller one. I am so happy with the way these turned out. They have a beautiful base at the bottom. And then, of course, the plate on top. What is really nice about the snowflake ones, they had enough of these plates at my Dollar Tree that I was able to get the smaller plate, the bigger plate, and 2 bowls. And I'll be able to stack this to make a set. I won't glue this together. I'll just stack it occasionally, and maybe I'll want to put cheese on top and crackers all along the bottom large plate rim. I could also put smaller candies or cookies on this rim and bigger, larger ones on the top. I always make snowflake cookies every Christmas. These will be perfect to display my snowflake cookies. Of course, you don't have to use these stands just to put cake or cookies on. They're perfect for risers in a holiday display. Here's another example of one of the other stands. This one is perfect to support a beautiful candle with a collection of gold bells and berries. And here is our final riser. I am so happy you're here today. I hope you buy some plates and bowls from the Dollar Tree and put these beautiful cake stands together for yourself. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas!